Listen to that. Some hail, maybe grapple, who knows? Certainly wintry, icy even as we look into the weekend. Spots like West Virginia in the crosshairs of a developing winter storm that could bring more scenes just like this to parts of the mid-Atlantic and the South. This storm, it's bringing the worst of about everything. Heavy snow, ice, and also, too, on the warmer side of things, we'll see the potential for severe weather. So nothing has been left out on the table here.
Mixed bag there, right?
And the storm, it develops as we go into Saturday, really starts to deepen a bit. But this is the key component to this forecast. You get Arctic air that's going to start to work its way in today, really set the stage ahead of this. And it's on the north side of this system where you're going to see the big snow dump, but then it's in the in-between that you're going to get that kind of nosing in of warmer, moist air from the Gulf. That's going to set up our ice concerns.
Yeah, perfect example right there. This is a great graphic to illustrate how that warmer goes up and over that warm front. And then you've got all the cold air that's already going to be in place. And that's where you've got, unfortunately, a mixture of maybe freezing rain, some sleet, all a possibility. So that's going to be a bit of a challenge for us in this area, I think, because when you talk about freezing rain or any type of frozen precipitation, the roads are just awful. And there's a huge area where you could be dealing with this depending on where this all sets up.
That's the thing. We don't exactly know yet where this low is going to track. And so this could be a case where are we looking at the I-70 corridor for significant icing or are we more in the snow belt? Or do we shift all of that further off to the north and major interstates are left in just the rain belt? We'll see for right now, but it does mean that we are expecting to see some pretty significant impacts. First of the morning, hot off the presses, winter storm watch has been posted for northeastern Kansas up into Nebraska. This is for the weekend system, so getting into Saturday, starting to see those conditions deteriorate by the morning hours, and then that's going to continue on into the afternoon.
You got to be careful because a lot of people may be going back to school or back to work, colleges, maybe your students heading back as well, right? A lot of these schools out there, some of these people might be fresh or new drivers. You got to be careful as well. And then you look at the pink area and the huge area. Look how wide or how long that warm front is where we've got the decent chance of some frozen precipitation.
Spans multiple states. Look at this.
That's not good. That's pretty scary. It goes all the way really into Virginia, West Virginia, and then take a look at Sunday evening. Still the same story, and that, of course, will be an